I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to export your ChatGPT data using the ChatGPT mobile app. I'll show you how to view your exported files using a desktop computer. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the menu icon. Step 2. Tap your profile name in this menu. The settings screen opens. Step 3. Swipe down to the Account section and then tap Data Controls in this section. The associated menu opens. Step 4. Tap Export Data. A window pops up letting you know that all of your account details and conversations will be included in this export and that your data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. Step 5. Tap Confirm Export. If you don't have a lot of data in ChatGPT, you'll likely see a message on the screen very quickly that your data has been successfully exported and that you'll receive an email shortly. If you have a lot of data in ChatGPT, you'll have to monitor the email account associated with your ChatGPT account telling you that your data export is complete. From this point forward, I'd recommend using a desktop browser because it will be easier. But you can download and view the exported file on a mobile device. It's just a little bit more of a hassle. Step 6. Open a web browser, navigate to the email account associated with your ChatGPT account you exported data from, and then open the email from OpenAI, letting you know that your ChatGPT data export is ready. Step 7. Click Download Data Export in this email. Choose where you want to download your export file, and then click to save that file. Step 8. Navigate to the folder where your export file is saved. Right-click that file and then click Extract All. Choose the destination where you want to extract your files to and then click Extract. Step 9. Open the location where you extracted your files to. You'll see files associated with your general ChatGPT chats, conversations, group chats, shopping, Sora, and your user files. Because the chat file is an HTML file, you can open it with your browser. You'll see the text associated with all of your general chats. You can open and view any of the other files using a text editor on your computer like Notepad. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.